Hey guys, welcome back. So I am going to show you how I prepare aloe. I bought this from a local Asian grocery market for my soaps. I use aloe in all of my soaps, and I'm going to show you how I prepare it. So I just rinsed my aloe off, and now I am going to peel it. So I am going to first I'm going to keep these scraps for my compost. Now, honestly, guys, I don't trust this because usually it's more transparent. So yeah, you guys, like, this is not good aloe. Like, your aloe should be more looking like this part up here, not this pinkish right here. Like, this shouldn't be how you're. This is not healthy. This is not a healthy aloe plant. This is not healthy ingredients to put into your soap. If your aloe that you get from the store, because that was store bought, and you cut it up and it looks like this isn't good. You need to take it back, or, well, I guess you can take it back, but don't use this in your soap. This is not good. Don't try to formulate with this. It means contamination. This means this plant was damaged by the sun, and the plant started to oxidize, and that's what this redness looks like, this pink. This is not what you want to use.